Alright, so right now we're going to do a battery removal on an iPhone 16e. I'm going to put a little isopropyl right here. Loosen up this electric tab here. Now you see why I grow my nails. Oh, now that's loose. And let's take our TriStar and remove the battery panel off, of course, and disconnect. Oopsies. Alright, so that's out of there. We're going to take our black terminal here, mount it to this grounding screw right north of the charging port, as you can see. Now we're going to go ahead and put our black back on. Good enough. And that tab we just pulled, we're going to plug this into that. We're going to go ahead and turn on this machine here, add a charge here. We want to put anywhere between 9 and 12. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit over 12 here. Let that sit for about 30 seconds. And we're going to probably take a plastic spludger, or let me find a guitar pick. Even better. Oh, I think that would help too. Turn this off real quick. Disconnect. And that's how you remove these new batteries.